Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of YesStyle. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about YesStyle and you will enter. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about YesStyle. If you find updates here, then you will update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.